Alright, so I have a camera install coming up and a access control install coming up, and I just want to show you guys the materials I'm going to use. It's a little bit different. I usually install Dahua branded stuff with the NVR and all that, but this customer didn't want to pay for an NVR. They wanted things as affordable as possible, but also as reliable as possible. So we went with some amcrest cameras, IP cameras. We're going to just put some micro SD cards in them. I tried to get some high endurance ones, but they're not coming in time for the project, so we got these Samsung Pro Plus cards with a 10-year warranty. So these should work just fine. These are made by Dahua, because Dahua owns the amcrest brand. So these should be just as good. They're 5 megapixels, which is essentially 1080p. And color at night, they do have a light on them. And, you know, you can log in through an IP address and watch the cameras on your web browser and all that stuff. So these should be pretty good quality cameras. I opened this box already. It is all metal construction. The bitrate usually is a little bit lower on amcrest cameras. I don't know why. Maybe, well, these are a lot cheaper. These are like $60 compared to $120 for a comparable Dahua branded camera. And you can get these off Amazon. So we got the two cameras, and that is for the door. We got the Samsung cards, which hopefully do good. And then we have the PoE switch. This is GV technology switch. The cheapest PoE switch I could find, because they wanted this on a budget for their office. So these are pretty popular switches in the IP camera world, so apparently they're pretty good. I don't know what the warranty is, probably not that great. But yeah, BV security, so it's just security camera stuff. So that should be good. It's all metal. It seems like a decent quality switch. The power supply is built in. So yeah, I think that switch was $25 or $30. Really good deal for a PoE switch. And one other thing, these Evo, or whatever, this wire molding. This is the best wire molding I have ever used. It is such good quality. They stick very well. They're the perfect size. They clip together great. It looks good. It doesn't look cheap. This stuff is like $30 a box, which I believe gets you about 20 or 30 feet. But this stuff is awesome. So all this stuff will be in the description below. You can get off Amazon. I think it's all pretty good stuff. We'll see how it goes over time. But yeah, if you have any questions, put in the comments below. Thanks for watching.